Control boards must verify a strict safety sequence. Limit switches, flame sensors, pressure and rollout switches, and proper inducer and ignition confirmation before the heating blower is allowed to start to prevent dangerous furnace operation. Start by isolating power and confirming line and neutral integrity so the control board receives stable voltage. A sagging supply will cause false safeties and erratic blower starts. Next, the control board reads the open or closed status of limit switches and rollout switches. Teach technicians to test continuity under both cold and heated conditions, and to inspect for corrosion, loose splices, and proper placement against the heat exchanger. The board then verifies inducer motor operation and correct pressure switch closure. Measure differential pressure across the venting assembly and confirm the pressure switch diaphragm moves cleanly. If the inducer fails to reach the designed vacuum, the board must lock out ignition. Before flame introduction, the ignition sequence must confirm spark or hot surface igniter resistance and correct timing. For hot surface igniters, measure cold resistance and warm-up current curve to predict end of life. The control board relies on clean and responsive flame sensing. Clean the sensor rod with fine steel wool, check that the sensor to flame alignment is within manufacturer spec, and monitor microamp readings to ensure stable flame rectification. Blower enable only occurs after the control board reads confirmed flame presence for the specified verification window and after post-ignition safety timers expire. Use a clamp-on ammeter to confirm blower current draw matches motor nameplate and that capacitors are within tolerance. For oil or direct vent systems, include combustion gas sensor and vent blockage checks in the pre-blower sequence to avoid spillage. Document each safety state in the service log and set the control board to record fault codes for trending. Always replace a control board or safety switch with parts that match the original timing and trip characteristics instead of generic equivalents. And if you must calibrate, do so with manufacturer test jigs or calibrated instruments, never by estimation. One of the most common mistakes is neglecting pressure switch calibration and venting inspection, which leads to blocked vent or false pressure switch faults. Fix this by measuring differential pressure, cleaning or replacing the inducer, and verifying vent paths with a smoke pencil or manometer while confirming proper tubing and tap size to the control board. One of the top errors is relying on a dirty or misaligned flame sensor, causing intermittent flame detection and premature blower activation. Correct it by cleaning or replacing the sensor, ensuring proper tip to flame distance, and verifying microamp readings meet the furnace specification. One of the frequent installation issues is improper limit or rollout switch placement or wiring, producing nuisance lockouts or unsafe blower starts. Compare by confirming switch location against the heat exchanger, testing switch trip temperatures, replacing frayed leads with heat-rated wiring, and ensuring the control board inputs are properly pulled up or down per the wiring diagram. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner directory that lists vetted HVAC professionals who understand control board safety sequences and proper thermostat and furnace replacement procedures. The site helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and helps contractors get work by showcasing verified reviews, licenses, and the specific safety and diagnostic skills they offer.